Integrating Salesforce with social media platforms. Benefits of integrating Salesforce with social media. Improved customer engagement. Use Salesforce to integrate with social media. It lets you connect with customers on their favorite channels. This builds stronger relationships and boosts brand loyalty. Improved lead generation. Social media is a goldmine for leads. By integrating Salesforce, you can capture and nurture these leads in your CRM. Efficient marketing campaigns. Salesforce CRM's social media integration lets you track and analyze your social media marketing campaigns. This helps you optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Streamline data management. Integrating Salesforce with social media centralizes all customer data and interactions. This gives a complete view of each customer's journey. How to integrate Salesforce with social media. Choose the right integration tool. Many tools can help you connect Salesforce to social media. They include Salesforce Marketing Cloud, Social Studio, and Hootsuite. Define your integration goals. Before starting, clearly define your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales? Map out your data. Identify the key data to sync between Salesforce and your social media. This includes customer profiles, leads, and engagement metrics. Set up automation rules. Automation is key to streamlining the integration process. Set up rules and workflows to ensure that data is synced automatically and accurately. Conclusion. In conclusion, linking Salesforce with social media can boost engagement and generate leads. It will help grow the business.